guys, I got these done up and all burnt out. They turned out pretty good. And in there is my actual bottle openers. Now, I want to build a base to put one of those bottle openers on. So what I did was I used my CNC and I carved a blank in order to make this pattern. So what I need to do is I need to do this backwards in order to create a void for this pattern to sit in, and also to create another void on the other side to make up the actual sign itself. So as you can see, I've got this backwards in comparison to how it usually would be. I've got the cope up top instead of the drag being filled first. So I'm not entirely sure where I'm going to put this to feed into all this, but we'll try her there and see what happens. Now all we've got is the board on the bottom just to keep it flat. And let me grab up my sand and we'll carry on. Alright. Now this is just green sand, nothing special. See how she goes. I'll do the sign first. just started seeing it. Gotta make some more, I guess. Signs forward. See how the actual bottle goes up to goes number one. Spilt it all on the ground. Try number two. Alright, I think those are done. There we go. I have to admit, I thought that would take more than it did. I thought it would take more than it did. I guess we'll find out when it cools. And so this one might be cool enough now for me to open up. I'll grab my tub. And a lot of shrinkage. Darn. Darn. So, that's how this one turned out. As you can see, there's a lot of shrinkage. That was just too big of a piece of metal. Well, we tried. So, I'll make her out of wood. Alright, I'm going to go clean that up and see what we got. Well, as you can see, my openers didn't quite make it. Now, part of it is I thought they had burnt out all the way, and unfortunately I think due to the fact that this one was kind of pointed up, actually no, I burnt them out this way. They should have, all that plastic should have drained out, but it didn't. There was still some here. This still had plastic. This one was a complete failure. Plastic in both areas. But I learned. This is a good learning experience. So unfortunately, guys, I do not have an opener for the 2019 Openers Open. My backing board didn't work too well either. It's too big. I had a lot of shrinkage on it, And it's a learning experience. It's all learning. It's fun just to try. I'm very happy with how close this did come. And I'd like to give a big shout out to Veg Oil Guy for his pouring basin. That works wonderfully. And I think once I have the electric foundry up and running, I will be able to melt this stuff out better. I'll be able to hold it at a little bit higher temperature maybe. I had it in the oven at 550. I thought that would be enough, but I guess it was not. Let's see if the backing plate's cool enough for me to touch yet. It is not, but I can still put it here and give you guys a show of it. Wasn't too bad for the surface except the shrinkage. And considering how nice the back in comparison looks, even though it's all sand pitted, it's not very smooth. I gotta get some different casting around, I guess. But live and learn. Right? Hope you enjoyed what I did accomplish. Hopefully you learned too. And we'll give her another shot another day. Until then, check out SWDWEEB stuff. Also Veg Oil Guy. In the Mind of Matt, another good resource to check out. And have a good evening.